So you've created your masterpiece. It's a great looking chart based on data that you entered into an Excel worksheet. Then you're told some of the data has changed and it needs to be updated in your chart. Well, no problem actually. We'll just go in and make the changes on the worksheet and let Word adjust the chart for us. So you can see we're still working here on our annual report on revenues 1 from the previous lesson. And if you're skipping to this lesson, no problem. You'll go to your Open button on the Quick Access toolbar or the Office button and then click Open. Navigate to your Lesson 10 folder and you're going to open up Annual Report on Revenues 2. That'll get you all caught up. Alright, so with this open, now what we need to do is actually edit the data, not the chart itself, if there's a change in the data. So we'll click anywhere in this chart. Now you'll notice that Chart Tool shows up on our title bar. We'll click on Design. And when we do that, we see some groups. One is labeled Data, and in the Data group is the Edit Data icon. And you can see it's got the Excel logo here. So when we click on that, the chart stays open, and the worksheet opens up next to it, just like when we were entering this data for the very first time, and now we can just simply go in and make a change. So let's say in Q4 that our number of 1.22 million actually was entered incorrectly, should be 1.9. We just type over what's there, and we'll just click anywhere else in the worksheet here to lock that in. The change is automatic and instantaneous. So when we close our worksheet here, we'll see that our Q4 bar here under Services is much taller than it was, and if we look at our grid, it's up around 1.9 million. Perfect. How easy is that? So you could be minutes away from a meeting and be able to edit figures to be as up to date as possible without spending a whole lot of time before. Now, if you do have some extra time, making changes to the chart appearance can really have an effect, and we'll spend some time next making changes to our chart layout and format.